Hi future doctors, welcome to the next class. In this class already we discussed previously flux sum problems. Directly we used this equation. So phi is equal to E bar dot A bar. Just I am giving electric field intensity. E bar is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap. This is the electric field intensity. In previous problem, directly we gave area. In this now, we will give indirectly. How they will give means, this electric field is passing through a curve. That curve is nothing but x square plus y square equal to 4, or x square plus y square equal to 1, 9, like that they are going to ask. So how much flux is passing through the curve x square plus y square equal to 4. Now at the time, so this is only formula, but what is the area of this? What is the area of this curve? First this equation is going to represent what is x square plus y square equal to 4 means we came to know x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. What is the equation is going to represent means this is going to represent ellipse. When ellipse is going to become circle, we discussed already in basics. When ellipse is going to become circle means if a equal to b, x square by y square divided by a square equal to 1, or x square plus y square by b square equal to 1. At the time x square plus y square equal to a square, x square plus y square equal to b square. Now in place of a square b square, what it is going to represent means either a or b, both are going to be same. Now this equation represents circle. Now what is the radius of that one means x square plus y square equal to r square. So now in place of r square 4 is there. Then what is the radius of this? 2 meters. Now how much flux is passing through this area? This circle is there in which plane? XY plane. XY plane. Therefore its area will be in which direction? Along K cap. So along K cap. Therefore which one you have to take means 4 you have to take. Therefore flux is equal to, so 4 into what is the area of circle? Pi r square. 4 into pi, what is the radius? 2 square. Therefore 16 pi Newton meter square per coulomb. Correct? So this is 16. Same equation they gave like this. So y square plus z square equal to 9. Y square plus z square equal to 9. For the same electric field, what is the flux they will ask? At that time, how you have to solve means, now this is in which plane? Y, z plane. Therefore, area is in which direction? Along x-axis. That is nothing but I cap. Along x-axis it is there means, along x-axis how much electric field? 2. Therefore, 2 into what is the area? Pi r square. What is r from this? Here 4 is there means 2. Here 9 is there means 3 square. Therefore, 6 pi. Flux is 6 pi. So like that we are going to get whenever they give curve here. In place of this curve they will give ellipse only. At that time you have to take here ellipse area. So you should come to know in which direction that area is there, in the, along that which electric field vector component you should take. Next, torque or couple acting. Torque or couple acting on dipole placed in uniform electric field. How much torque or couple is going to act on a dipole placed in uniform electric field? So what is uniform electric field means? Already we gave this definition. Maybe at each and every point its magnitude and direction is going to be same. So this is the direction of electric field. Now in which direction electric field is there? Always positive to negative. In this we placed one dipole. So dipole direction P bar like this means it is negative charge, it is positive charge separated by small distance. What is the distance? 2a. It is making how much angle means theta angle with the dipole, means with the electric field. Dipole is making theta angle. Now what is the torque or couple means? What is the torque definition from first year means? Torque tau is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Now how much force is acting? What is the perpendicular distance? Whenever we are taking one negative charge within the electric field, negative charge moves always in the same direction or opposite direction? In the opposite direction of electric field. Therefore, force on this is nothing but F equal to QE downwards, because always on negative charge, force is going to act in the opposite direction. Positive charge in the same direction. F is going to be equal to Q. So, two equal and opposite forces are acting, therefore, it is going to rotate like this. Whenever it is rotating, what is the torque we are going to calculate? Now, force already we got QE. Now, what is the perpendicular distance between these two forces? If you are taking, this is the perpendicular distance. This is the perpendicular distance A, B, C. AC is the perpendicular distance. Correct? So, if it is going to be theta, so this is also going to be theta. Corresponding opposite angles in mathematics. If it is theta means for this theta, this side is AC is going to be opposite side. Therefore, opposite side if you want to calculate, sin theta is equal to AC by which is hypotenuse AB. Therefore, AC equal to AB sin theta. What is AB dipole length? 2A sin theta. Substitute. So, 2A sin theta. So, what is Q into 2A we came to know? Q into 2A we came to know P E sin theta. What is P E sin theta we came to know? P bar cross E bar. So, because torque is a vector quantity. So, tau bar is equal to P bar cross E bar. Very, very important formula. Otherwise, tau is equal to P E sin theta. This is nothing but torque or couple acting on the dipole placed in uniform electric field. So, when the torque is going to be maximum, so when this torque is going to be maximum means PE sin 90. If theta is 90, torque is maximum. You should remember this. So when the torque will be 0, if theta is 0 means if you place dipole in the direction of electric field or in the opposite direction of electric field, then tau is equal to PE sin 0 or PE sin 180. Sin 0 is 0, sin 180 is also 0. So torque is 0 means it will not rotate when you place dipole in the direction of electric field. And in competitive they will ask, what is the net force on dipole if it is in uniform electric field? It is rotating here only. It is rotating here only means it is not moving anywhere. Whenever it is not moving anywhere, net force is 0. Two equal and opposite forces will cancel each other. Net force is 0, but net torque is not 0 because it is rotating. If it is placed in uniform electric field. If you place dipole in non-uniform electric field, so non-uniform electric field, at the time both force will act and torque also will act. Net force is not 0, net torque is not 0. At the time it is rotating and moving. It is rotating and moving means both force is there, torque is there. So, but in uniform only rotating, it is not moving anywhere. Therefore, there is no force. So, this is the equation. So, problems how they will ask, we will discuss in upcoming classes. But this one you should remember carefully, torque tau is equal to PE sin theta.